The TV remake of Little Witch Academia began airing this year, and needless to say, I'm loving it. It's hard to say if I'll get a review out when it's over, we'll play that by ear for now. But what I really want to talk about is our main character, Akko. Of course, Akko is an overall likable character, like in any good anime, but what is it about her that appeals so much to me personally? First, let's give a little detail. The show follows Akko, a young girl who is inspired to learn magic when a witch put on a public show, showing the beauty and the power of magic to all those who would listen. In the Little Witch Academia universe, magic appears to be widely known, but not really looked upon favorably, and the analysis of that plot point is probably something that warrants a video in of itself, so let me just get back on topic. Flash forward, Akko of course goes to school, and she finds that being a witch is anything but easy for her, as she often can't cast simple spells, can't fly a broom, and can't even do half the things many of her classmates can do. And naturally, Akko also just faces a lot of ridicule from her classmates and even her professors for this. Akko does her best to keep her spirits up and keep working at it, but every so often it can be discouraging on her and weighs her down, feeling like she'll never reach the potential of her great idol. Sounds pretty standard, right? Not making the protagonist too perfect by making her kind of flawed compared to everyone else around? Sure, lots of anime have done this. Akko is the underdog, the outsider, the one that has the potential in her to do great things when she can realize her potential. So why do I like her as a character so much out of any other character like this? It's more than, of course, that she's just the simple underdog of the story, the one I want to root for, but it's honestly that I see so much of my own self in Akko. I've been making videos on YouTube for a while, but only in the last several years have I really attempted to make the kind of videos I'm making now. Akko wants to live to the ideals that her idol preached, showing the world the beauty of magic, and that's what I wanted to do with my channel, show the beauty of anime, especially the anime that I really liked but were often criticized and ridiculed by others. Much like Akko, I saw people who inspired me and made me want to do those kinds of things, and the dreams from the reality is a little bittersweet at times, but at the end, I feel like I have to keep working. Like Akko, I see people around me still doing amazing works all the time. Even I can feel a little inadequate at times. This has been true not only for YouTube, but my entire life. School, work, everything. Sometimes I look around and I feel like everybody's just better at everything else than I am. And at times, it also weighs down on me, but other times, it pushes me to do better, just like Akko. Akko is an incredibly relatable character for me. I mean, the only big difference is, Akko is far more extroverted and expressive compared to me, which in of itself is another plus that I ended up liking her, because often very extroverted characters can kind of wear me down. But that's true about all people in general. That's what makes Akko a wonderful character, and that's what makes Little Witch Academia an amazing series.